What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Don't keep up with the Joneses.
Welcome. Okay, you guys, so we lost the sound, so here we go. I'm going to give you this house tour and say all the things I think I was saying. So welcome to our new home. We're so excited for you guys to be able to see this tour of what we have going on here. And so I think now I was talking about some more stuff I'm looking at buying for the home, but Ricky doesn't know about it yet. So this is our coat closet. I love a coat closet, one, because I have coats, and then two, it just provides extra storage, which is always useful when you're in an apartment. And so here is one of the things that I'm looking to get, a bench for when I need to put on my shoes at the door, and the kids as well, and just for storing shoes when guests come in, they can put them underneath the bench. So yeah, that's the thought I have going here. And so now we're going to continue into the apartment. I know that we are going to be looking to decorate this space with some photos and pictures. We have this gift that we brought with us from South Africa. And so, you know, we had to bring a bit of South Africa back with us. We absolutely loved our time there. And now we're going to go over into the kids' wing, basically. And so this is the guest bathroom. And Ricky was like, oh yeah, I like how you said that, the kids wing. And so this is the guest bathroom. Kept it simple and neutral. And they have their linen closet here, which plenty of space, more storage, again, which I love. And then they have a single sink that they share, which is fine. They're little kids. And so we're going to continue into their bedroom, and it's very spacious, and they finally got that bunk bed that they've been wanting for so long. So that was awesome. And Rain really wanted to have stairs for the bunk bed, so we were able to execute on that as well. She said the stairs are better for safety purposes. And so we were like, okay, girl, you want the stairs? We got it. We'll get the stairs. And so Mr. Handsome is on the bottom bunk. We said we would turn into a little boy man cave situation. So he's excited about that, and Rain is on the top. And here's their closet. There's plenty of space in here as well, even though Rain has like a ton of stuff. But you know, the kids are just very blessed, and we love that. So this is their closet space. We keep their clothes in here. And then we're figuring out what we're going to do with all this additional space that they have. Maybe we'll put in a dresser. I put their toys into this box. So many toys, so little time. Just to help keep things neat and in order. I don't like messy rooms. So we'll figure out what we'll put on this wall. It won't be a TV. We don't do TVs in the kids' room, but we'll figure out something that we'll put here at some point. And then we did want to make sure we pointed out the laundry basket. Ricky organized it so well. Rain's side, Ricky's side, uniforms in the middle. And so it's actually working out really, really well for the kids. And they have their little, you know, robes here. It's so funny but cute. Their little robes. And so that is the kids' wing of the apartment. And then I love how we have these archways. It just really gives character. So it's not just like a basic standard apartment. It makes it feel more homey, and I love that. And so this is my area, the kitchen. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I spent so much time here. So when we first got in the apartment, I started decking out the kitchen just to make sure I had everything that was needed. I love that we have the fridge with the ice and water filter. Ricky was like, let's show him the fridge. I was like, no. He was like, yeah, let's do it. I was like, no. And so I was like, it's not organized and neat. And so I'm like, not this time. So maybe a separate fridge tour at another time. But really all that's happening right now is him saying, let's show the fridge, and me saying no. So as we continue into the kitchen, we see, yeah, this was a whole long conversation, y'all. He was like, yes, and I was like, no. And he was like, yes, and I was like, no. So then we have the Keurig toaster. I did get the Keurig with the milk frother because I like to have froth milk with my coffees, and it's a nice little coffee machine, so save money, don't have to buy Starbucks all the time. And we continued into the kitchen. I don't know what I'm thinking about right now. The syrup flavors maybe, or something like that. But then we have this knife set that I ordered off of Amazon. I thought it was super cute. I really like it. Some of the knives are not turned the right way, but it's okay. And then an air fryer. I love air fryers. I definitely mainly use air fryer when I air fry chicken wings or chicken breast and salmon. Those are some of the things I love to do in the air fryer. And then also if I'm just trying to cook something quickly, I'll do it in the air fryer. So air fryers are very standard for us. This is the laundry room. There is a door to it, so we can close that off when we need to. The pantry's right there. And there's a full-size washer and dryer. And we also use this space to store our additional cleaning products. We have our Swifter and our vacuum and stuff, and then we have the paper towels, trash bags, toilet paper, all those types of things. We're able to keep it in there in a separate place, so that's really nice. I think here I'm pointing out boom, pantry, so it's also not organized. But yeah, then we come over to the kitchen. This is the kitchen table. We are big on family dinners, and so we were able to pick up this kitchen table. It's supposed to be everything proof, which basically means child proof. I want to put a centerpiece here. I'm not sure what I'll put just yet, but something probably that adds a little bit of greenery to the table. So I'll be picking up something at some point to put there. And then we have our patio area, and so it's a nice spacious patio. My brother gave us a chair to put out here, so a little bench thing. I just need to bring it home now. And we'll be able to sit out there and relax, enjoy a little outside inside moment. So that is our patio. And so from there, what was I talking about? Who knows? Nobody really knows. I was just talking. But we have our bar stools here in front of our large kitchen counter. I love the size of this island. I actually built these bar stools. We got from IKEA, so you got to put that stuff together. We could have squeezed in 5, but we went with 4 because there's 4 of us, so that's all we need. And then I think, is Ricky gonna have me sit in the bar stool now? Show y'all, yeah, it works. It's sturdy. I tested each one literally after I built it, and I was like, okay, boom. So ding, yeah. It does hold weight. And so that is the kitchen area. This is the living room area. We went with the U-shaped couch. We were bold and daring. And part of the reason was we wanted a U-shape so both of us could sit and stretch out our legs, but actually, I spend most of my time sitting next to Ricky, and that's just because I like being next to him. And he has the windowsill area here, and so I can put my coffee there for when I'm reading my Bible in the mornings, and I don't have a place to put my coffee if I sit on the other side. And so, yeah, I just end up gravitating towards him and the windowsill, and that's how that works. So this is the TV, obviously, and then we just got a little cube to sit it on so we could store different things, and we might end up getting another TV stand and putting this cube in the kids' room, but we'll see. Right now, this is just what we decided on, and it's working. So there's that. And Ricky pointed out the games, because we like to play games. We are a gaming family, and he said, y'all do not want to see about us in no taboo. So here we have the mirror that, you can look at yourself, make sure you look nice. Y'all, we spent so much time trying to clean this mirror, and ultimately, I need to get some Windex. Here we are in our room, the primary bedroom. I really like our bedroom set. Ricky was the one that initially saw it, and at first I was like, I don't know, it looks kind of masculine, but then I kind of fell in love with it. And so I really do like this bedroom set that we have. We are still needing to get like nightstands and stuff. So we know the 2 nightstands that go with the set. I think we'll end up going ahead and getting those, but just don't want to spend the money on that right now. So they'll come at, the right time, but it'll be good because I like to read my Bible in the mornings in the bed. And so, like I said, then I can sip my coffee there while I read my Bible on the nightstand. I like to read my Bible in the morning and at night. So it'll give me the opportunity to do that. We do have a TV in our bedroom now, which we haven't done for years, but we talked about rules for TV in the bedroom. Which basically means if people are going to sleep, you have to go outside in the other room to watch TV. You can't just be in here keeping people up watching stuff on TV. That's essentially what it boiled down to. But ultimately, it's working out well. Even though I think I was just talking about how I was waiting for him to come and watch football in the other room, and he was watching it in the room, and I was like, I was waiting for you, and then you didn't come, and so I don't know what happened with that. But ultimately, we have a TV now. It's there. We'll see how much use it gets. And then we have our bathroom area. Obviously, there's a door here, a double sink, double vanity, which is necessary for Ricky and I. We saw a lot of really great apartments that we decided not to get because there was only a single sink in the master. And we're like, no, there has to be 2 sinks. That's just best for us. And then we have our glass enclosed shower, which Ricky was like, oh yeah, glass enclosed showers are good for marriages. But, he's hilarious. And so we have that, and it has like the door. We put up this shelving, those other like wire shelvings, and we put up the thing that we use to put up our towels. So, just so we can hang things neatly. Obviously the towel here, I got this little rack just so we have a place for our cleaning products and whatnot, so it's organized. It doesn't just end up sitting on the counter and stuff. It's just neat. When you're in a smaller space, I feel like organization is very important. So here is the linen closet for us. Again, I love how much storage there is in this apartment, because it just allows for cleanliness. I did take out the bottom 2 racks so that we could put our baskets here for towels, my laundry, his laundry. As you can see, we have some extra pillows. We were trying to figure out what kind of pillows we would be comfortable with, but it's fine because then when family friends come in from out of town, crash on the couch, they have a pillow. So that works out. And then we're going to go into the closet area. It's cool. This is a shirt I'm wearing right now. It's one of the shirts from our church. We love merch at our church. And so this is one of the shirts that we have from our church. And Ricky has his just there. He has a lot of church shirts, and we're going to be building them back up because we love our church. This is Ricky's side of the closet, and then I took out all the racks on my side of the closet just so I can make sure I can set up things in a way that's conducive for my items. So I'm able to have the perfumes here. Ricky was like, she has so many perfumes. But I was like, no, it's not that many. And he was like, no, it's so many. And I was like, yeah, you're right. So I have the perfumes here, just a place for my jewelry and everything. I have this little jewelry holder that Mr. Handsome made for me while we were in South Africa. You can see it says Ricky inside. He made it for me for Mother's Day. And I said, oh, I'll keep my important jewelry in here. So I keep my wedding rings and other jewelry that Ricky has given me in there, and so it's cute. I have it there. And then I also wanted to make sure that I did the closet the way I did, so I have a place to hang my long dresses, pants, matching sets, all those types of things. My shoes are down there. I have more clothes I'm bringing over from my mom's house now that I have things in order. And then I have undergarment drawers, so yeah, I just really built out everything. So like I said, it would be conducive for the way I like to organize my clothes, because again, in a smaller space, it's just necessary. And Ricky was like, yeah, Chrystle did this. She built this stuff out herself. And I was like, yeah, he helped me out. When I was like, hey, I need a little help with these closet rods or whatever, he did step in and help. But I got best friend to come over, help me build up the shelves and everything like that. And I did a pretty decent job, but TaskRabbit shouldn't be calling me anytime soon. So yeah, those are some of those things there. This is pretty much the bedroom. I think now I'm going to show you guys the view, because that's one thing I do love about our unit is there isn't like a building on the other side of us. We're on the corner. So we actually have like just a lot of serene space. We're able to see when the sun is like setting in the afternoons. And so it's just very, very peaceful and we love it.
Now we are about to go to the garage to show you all that aspect of our place, because not only do we have an apartment, but also a space for our cars to be. And that was very important for Chrystle to have any space. She wanted somewhere that she didn't have to walk outside when it rains and things with the kids or with groceries. And so thankfully, a garage is something that was available to us here in this apartment. So let's go check it out now. All right, so here's Chrystle's garage.
My garage holds the stuff.
Yeah, hers was first, so we said that we can go ahead and put like luggage and whatnot here, but
yeah.
Anyhow, anyway.
It's fine. And then when we have like boxes that we'll end up taking out for trash,
right?
People take for trash. We put them here
because I put them in the Tig one.
The Tiggy one.
But
I love it because it's definitely a garage that's normally apartment garages aren't this big. So
True.
This one is like very spacious, and so it's not just for the car, but it also is able to double as storage, which is great for us because we do have. Could you imagine if we were trying to put all this luggage in our apartment? Like, it would have ate up so much of what's now extra closet and storage space. So I'm really happy we were able to get the garage.
Right.
So yeah.
And it's separate, right? So this is her garage, one door as far as for the garage is concerned, and then I'll walk you over, which is right next door to my garage, which, let's go out the front, open your garage, and then we'll go out that way. So literally right next door from her garage is my garage, which of course y'all know we have the Tesla on this side, which again I love, and it's nice and clean because hers was first. And so I was able to store all of the luggage and things on her side.
But it makes more sense for my garage to be the one with all this stuff because I have the kids, and so it's just more likely I'm gonna end up with.
There it is. And we also had to get the wagon. The wagon was key and clutch.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
We might need to get another one.
All the time.
Big one. But yeah, so that's how it is situated. Again, mine on this side and hers just here on this side. You know what I'm saying? Fun times, good times. And just like that, beautiful people, you have seen our home, the home that we call home here in beautiful Tampa, Florida, which essentially is Wesley Chapel. But it all with it all. Thank y'all for walking around with us and seeing the space in place. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's always fun inviting you into our home. And as we do other videos here, you'll be able to have a context of the space, the place that we call home. So we love you all. We appreciate y'all. Anything you want to say, my dear?
It's time to get some lunch. That new chicken spot.
Stay tuned to see more. Until next time, great people. Love y'all. We appreciate you all. Peace.